Yes, I've got these, the Bullets Wireless Z. Yes, Z, UK, Z, or Z, depending on where you're from. Yep, I've got these, and as you guys probably know or don't know, I'm a Bullets Wireless 2 user, so I was very intrigued to get these in. I've got these in. Let's jump into straight unboxing them and doing a first impressions listen and how they feel, the sound, and also a little quick comparison against the Bullets Wireless 2. These are it, man. Bullets Wireless Z. So these are the Bullets Wireless Z or Z, depending on where you're from. This is the packaging, and originally when I looked at it, I was like, I actually like the packaging. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it, look inside, see how it comes. We're gonna connect it to the 17 and 7 Pro. And also I've got the Bullets Wireless 2 as well. So I'm gonna compare it and see how they look in terms of quick differences. All right, little unboxing knife. I'll just do this nice and safe, cool. So yeah, we've got the warp charge on the box, charges over USB Type-C as it says, 10 minutes for charging gives you 10 hours of listening time. Long battery life, full charge gives you 20 hours of listening time. Magnetic control, which is something obviously we've been used to since the Bullets Wireless 1 and also the Bullets Wireless 2. Waterproof, which is something that really does intrigue me to actually probably use it as my exercise earbuds. Which something that the Bullets Wireless 2 doesn't have, even though they're fine. Quick switch is something I've loved since the Bullets Wireless 2, and low latency mode. Okay, so ultra low latency when gaming, only work on OnePlus Fanatic mode. Interesting. Yeah, so this is the outer shell packaging. Once you take off the plastic, you effectively just pull the sleeve out. I'm gonna put this one to the side. This is how it looks. Hopefully this unboxing is not too long. This shouldn't be too long. So these are the Bullets Wireless Z. User manual, really cares about that to be fair, but we're gonna check it. And yes, you do get your USB Type-C to USB Type-A short cord cable for your quick warp charge. You've got different earbud tips in here that you get as well. So I'm gonna put this here, put this here. See if there's anything else that comes in the user manual. Obviously, you've got the instructions in there, but to be honest, I pretty much know how to use these because I've used them from before, but standard procedures. Put these away. I've not done an unboxing in forever, man. Nothing else that comes in this base red box, so we're gonna put this here, put this to the side. We've got different ear tips that come in. I'm gonna remove them. I'll put this to the side. What I've usually found in the past that these bigger tips tend to fit into the ears a lot better. So these bigger ones definitely tend to fit in. So I'm sure I'm definitely gonna change them from the ones that are originally here. So I'm gonna put these to the side for now. Put this cable to the side for now. Bring this to the center of attention. So these are the Bullets Wireless Z in black, and they look very similar to the Bullets Wireless 2, not gonna lie. So it looks like you still have that Nautilus shell design that fits the ears so comfortably. So once it's out, this is it. You've got the drawer at the back, which I really like. Put this to the side, and these are the center of attraction. And I'm not gonna lie to you, they look very similar to the Bullets Wireless 2, which isn't a bad thing, which is not a bad thing. You've got the magnetic controls. You don't have the red kind of ring when it comes to the design, but you've got the red accents with the black one as well. Yeah, got a volume control. You've got the USB Type-C. great. You've got the OnePlus logo. And you've got the button here that obviously does the quick switching as well as the Bluetooth pairing with other devices that are not OnePlus devices. So yeah, these are the Bullets Wireless Z. I'm gonna bring the Bullets Wireless 2 and actually just pair them together quickly just to see how they look like. All right, so I've got the Bullets Wireless Z on the right. I'm gonna bring in the Bullets Wireless 2. Doesn't necessarily help that I've got the exact same colors, but even with that, I think it just makes it easier to kind of look and compare. The Bullets Wireless Z does come in different colors. I can't remember the colors off head, but I will check them out. It was the black ones that were available. So you can see that you've got the red accents within the magnetic control area. That's one way to tell between the Bullets Wireless 2 versus the Bullets Wireless Z. Immediately, that's the thing that I can tell in between. The logo, in terms of how the logos are ever so slightly different. You've got the kind of grayish, more lighter tone, and then you've got the black logo print for the Bullets Wireless Z. They feel a bit lighter as well, which I think might be nicer for when I'm using them, if I'm going to use them for exercise. But apart from that, I can't really tell much of a difference through them. Again, I will do a proper comparison and compare them when it comes to like the overall build, the operation, the sound quality especially, and the comfort, because that's one thing I really like about the Bullets Wireless 2 is the comfort. I'm going to take them out. These are the stars of the show, and these are the Bullets Wireless Z. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually quickly connect them and pair them to the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7T and do like a quick little first impressions. Yep, so I've got the OnePlus 7T on the right. If you haven't watched the review, go watch it. OnePlus 7 Pro, which I will have a follow-up review on that coming soon. So let's see how they pair. They should just automatically pair up once you take the magnets off. Okay, so both are paired. You can see the Bullets Wireless Z, Bullets Wireless Z. I didn't do the quick pairing. I might be wrong. I don't think it has the quick pairing feature on this, but I did it manually. They're both paired. Let's have a look. So you detach and you should see that it's connected over here. It says active. And then what you do is you double tap quickly and it I can't even speak. It should switch from the 7T to the OnePlus 7 Pro. And again, just to show quickly, deactivate, should pop over here as active, and again, switch and active here. Now that is the quick switch feature on the Bullets Wireless Z on both these phones. Put it together, turns off, saves battery, and you're good to go. So I've got them connected. I've got the Bullets Wireless Z or Z in, and I've got that on the 7 Pro. So I'm gonna test one of the tracks that I listen to when I've got my hip hop running playlist when I'm running and stuff. So this particular track, I'll do a screen record so you guys can see it, is Ja Rule, and that one is Clapback. It's classic, old school. It's got heavy bass in it, man. So that's something I want to test to see, does it sound as good? Well, I notice a difference. So yeah, let me give it a listen. Now let's switch to the Bullets Wireless 2. So Bullets Wireless 2, you can tell obviously because of the red accent. I'm gonna put these in. And again, this is coming from Spotify, highest quality possible, Ja Rule Clapback. That's the track that I'm using. It's got a good bass track. Wanna see if I can tell the difference. This is the Bullets Wireless 2, and these have the bigger ear tips. I'm just using the standard ear tips on the Bullets Wireless Z. So I'm gonna change that and then see if there's a difference in that sense, all right? All right, I can't tell a difference between the two, which is a good thing. That's me personally. I don't know whether it's the quality of my ears, maybe they're bugged, I don't know. But I can't tell a difference in the sound quality between the Bullets Wireless 2 and the Bullets Wireless Z. And mind you, these are using the normal tips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the tips. I'm gonna listen to it again and then give feedback on it as well, man. Right, so back at it. These are the original tips. I've changed it from these to the bigger tips because usually they fit more comfortable and they give a much better seal and bass sound. This is, again, Bullets Wireless Z, as you can tell, black accent. Whoo, yeah, these fit like those, like proper secure. Right, I'm gonna play it and then see if there's a difference. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Okay. Raw. Okay, just a quick roundup so this can be done because this video might just be a bit longer than I expected. Again, I'm excused. I'm doing an unboxing and first impressions and a mini comparison. So please stick around, be patient, watch it. I might have to I might have to retire my Bullets Wireless 2, you know, because obviously if I'm getting the waterproofing on here, which is obviously great for when I'm outside and exercising, sweat resistant and stuff, and the tips are the same, I believe. These sound no different with the normal tips on the Bullets Wireless Z, as well as versus the bigger tips in the Bullets Wireless 2. And when you put the bigger tips in here on the Bullets Wireless Z, to me it sounds much better sealed and you get a stronger bass. Ooh, I think just on natural first impressions, I'm leaning more towards the Bullets Wireless Z, and I was not expecting that for half the price. I was not expecting that at all. Wow. Talk about plot twist. But yeah, you know what? That's a quick one. Thank you guys for watching. I will do a full review and a full comparison versus the Bullets Wireless 2. So you guys can obviously see, is it worth spending the double the money or getting the Bullets Wireless Z? And I think so far, even without getting into that, which I will still do, save the money and get the Bullets Wireless Z if you can get them in stock. Yeah, that's it for me, man. If you guys enjoy the content, as you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos that are coming on the channel. Again, Ben from Lover of Tech. I appreciate you guys and all the patience that you have on the channel with me, and it's good to be back to be making these stuff. Watch out for future content. Any requests and anything down below, let me know. Any Bullets Wireless Z users as well, let me know what your feedback has been since using it, if you've been able to get one. And that'll be me signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.